Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn fourth chapter, editing in Word 2010. In the last chapter we have seen that how to create a simple text document in MS Word. We learned to start a new document, adding or deleting content and saving the document. But word processing does not mean just to create a document, but there are many powerful features which help you to make the documentation process quicker and faster. We will now learn one of the major advantage of a word processor, that is editing. Means we are going to learn today how to edit our text document and how to make changes there. So editing means making changes or modification like inserting or deleting, copying or moving text, correcting misspelled words, etc. These are the features which save a lot of time and efforts in the working of lengthy documents. But before we start learning these features, we need to learn how to select the text. So let's begin with this. If you have seen that there is one cursor and you know the mouse, and whenever you press the mouse and drag that mouse till the whole text, that text is becoming a blue or in any color. That is the selection of that text. So how to select the text we will see. To perform editing in the document, we need to select the block of the text on which these features are to be used. Means suppose you want to increase the size of a single word, or you want to be that single word in the high its font you want to change, and its size also you want to change. Then you have to select that specific text and apply these features on that selected text. This text block can be a word, a line, a sentence, a paragraph, or the entire document. Where you want to apply these changes, then you have to select that text. Word offers shortcuts to select them quickly. These are word. We will see we have to select word. So if you want to select a word, how to select it? By double clicking the word. On that specific word you have to double click. Then line. By clicking in front of line, keeping the pointer in the left margin. So if you want to select a line, the pointer should be in the left line and you have to double click there, then whole line will be selected. Paragraph. If you want to select a paragraph, then you have to do clicking the left mouse button thrice in the paragraph. In the whole paragraph, anywhere you will click thrice that mouse button, left button. Sentence. Clicking the left mouse button on the sentence while holding the control key. So suppose you want to select one sentence, then you have to click the left mouse button on the sentence and hold the control key. Then the whole sentence will be selected. Text block. Click in the beginning. Hold the shift key and click at the end of the block. Means if you have to select the text block, then at the beginning there is you have to take cursor there, and then the shift key at the end of the block. Then the text block will be selected. Whole document. Triple click on the left margin. There is a left margin, right and left. So at the left margin, if you will triple click, then whole document will be selected. Here are some selected text. It will be look in the blue. So from Office 2010 to Windows Server 2003, here are 4 lines are selected. Now moving the text. If you want to move a text, then there are some functions, cut, copy, paste. That function we will use. Then we can move our text. Text can be easily moved from one place to another in the document like this. To move the text, suppose you want to move the text. For that purpose, you have to select the block of the text to be moved. Which block or which text you have to move, that has been selected by you. Then click the cut. Here is in file menu, there is a cut and one scissor symbol is there. Then you have to choose that symbol option and clipboard group on the home tab. There is a clipboard. This option is on the clipboard on the home tab. Then the selected text disappears from the document. Means if you click on the cut button, then the selected text will be disappear, and then bring the cursor to the new position. Where you want to move that text, you have to bring your cursor there. Now click the paste. Here is this symbol, paste symbol option in the clipboard. There is a paste, that symbol is also on the clipboard. You have to click there, then selected text will be appear at the new location. So one more thing is there is a one shortcut key, Control X, for cutting the first, but you have to select the text and then you will cut that text, and then Control V. Control V means paste. For paste purpose you will use the shortcut keys Control V. Now you have to type the following document in the Microsoft Word 2010. Editing text in Microsoft Word 2010. You have to type it and then save this document as a text editing. Means you have to write this, you have to type this on one file in Word file, and then save the document as a name as a text editing. Practice text section for selecting a word, line, sentence and paragraph. You will first of all you will make paragraph, then you will select one line, single one word, single sentence and paragraph. How to select using that shortcut keys, and move the deleting text. You will cut that text and move it and paste it in another file and close the document. This is your practical work. You try at home, and then copying the text. We have seen that how to cut the paste and move that, cut the text and how to move that text. Then we will see how to copy the text. This useful feature helps to repeat the already entered text at new location without retyping. Suppose we don't need to retype a similar text, we can just copy that text and paste anywhere look in our selected location. How to copy the text? Select the block of the text to be copied. You have to select that text which you want to copy, then click the copy option. Here is the copy option in the clipboard group on the home tab. Then this time the selected text will remain intact at the original location. Here it won't change that text, but where you want to paste that text, you can paste it. Then bring the cursor to the new place where the text is to be repeated. You have to take your cursor at the new location and just click on the paste button that is included in the clipboard group. Then our text will appear at the destination location. Today we will stop here. In the next lecture we will see finding the text. Till then, thank you.